So if they're closing one and they have two, that means they're down to one.
That's right. From what we were talking with the airline, it's not a guarantee that it's going to cause delays because they can work around it and use one runway. It's just if you've got some problems, you need to offload planes to the second runway, it's not going to be available. So it's not a guarantee that flights are going to be delayed. It's just a greater possibility over the next 90 days or so.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
Okay.
All right.
You doing
fly
okay?
out of Love Field?
I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do. When I go to St. Louis to see family, a lot of times I'll take Southwest.
There you go. Okay.
And I'm really happy now that I can pick my seat.
That's right.
Because I'm picky. Yeah.
You pay extra for that.
I'm happy.
A1 to 15.
I do. Yeah. And then I'm mad that all these other people are in front of me. I'm like, okay, I'll pay more just so I know I'm sitting right there.
As long as you get in the B group, you're probably going to get an aisle or a window. It's where you're stuck. I've been stuck in C group, and
if I'm in C,
slim pickings.
If I'm in C, I'm driving.
Yeah.
I'm going to sacrifice the ticket. I'm driving. Let me show you this. Look what's going on with Debby. Man, made landfall at 7 o'clock this morning in the Big Bend of Florida. 80-mile-an-hour winds was the landfalling wind speeds with this system right around there. So there it is right now. It's near Valdosta, Georgia, just to the southeast, about 30 miles, right on the Florida-Georgia line. It'll move offshore briefly south of Savannah, move back onshore, second landfall just up the coast from Charleston as a pretty decent tropical storm sometime Thursday afternoon. But as it takes this meandering path, it's going to dump a lot of rain. I mean, we're looking at some areas, coastal Carolina, especially South Carolina, maybe the southern portion of North Carolina. They're looking at 16 to 20 plus inches of rain. They could see maybe 2 feet of rainfall in those spots. Not a drop fell here today, and we were cooler than normal. 96 was the high. The normal high is 97. The morning low right where we should be, and we've been as hot as 107 on this date back in 2011. 95 outside right now. It feels like 96. The humidity's really low. We have light winds out of the east-southeast at 6. Pollen, same old story. Grass and elm are both there. They're both moderate today. Fungus today is low. Mostly sunny skies out there right now. That's what I have in my forecast tonight, mostly clear skies. The normal low tonight is 77. We're going to be right there in that ballpark. We'll be a little cooler in some of the, you get into the heat island of Dallas and Fort Worth, it's right at normal, 77. But look at McKinney and Denton, 74, 75, 74 up in Bonham, 73 in Gainesville. So not bad. Temperatures tonight, pretty close to normal, if not a tad cooler than that. Tomorrow's above normal, but we're not going to hit a record tomorrow. The record's 109. Definitely triple digits. Dallas 101, 102 in Fort Worth, 100 in Greenville, 102 in Denton. The same thing in Gainesville, also in McKinney and Granbury and Mineral Wells. And Graham, Breckenridge, you'll hit 103. And then as we look at the heat index tomorrow, the heat index is going to be pretty close to the air temperature tomorrow, or some of the fancy people say the ambient temperature. Look that one up. The air temperature tomorrow, the heat index, pretty close to the same because we're just not going to have that much humidity. My forecast for tonight. Light winds, muggy, mainly clear, 77's a low tonight. During the day tomorrow, mostly sunny, dry, hot, light winds. We hit 101 tomorrow. There's an ozone action day tomorrow, and then we're even hotter on Wednesday. The hottest temperature we've had so far this year is 102. That was last Friday. We should be close to that or a degree above that or so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then this upcoming weekend, triple digits, Saturday, Sunday, 10% chance of a pop-up thunderstorm. Highs right around 100. Then we're back 101, 102 or so as we head through the remainder of those 14 days, except for August 19th. It'll be a frosty 99.